Hi, everybody. My name is Erin Kelsey, and I'm here with Matthew Bloom from Peak & Hardy Strauss Wealth Management. Matt is the author of our latest Navigator, which discusses the challenges of giving or receiving wealth. And he was kind enough to sit down with me in this virtual setting to talk a little bit about this topic today. So, Matt, without further ado, why should we be so concerned about giving or receiving wealth?
Great question. And the wealth transfer process can be very tricky in a number of different ways. There are legal issues to consider, such as probate. There are a slew of tax considerations to think about, and there can be major personal and familial challenges that might need to be managed throughout the process. Navigating the potential minefield of transferring wealth it's a relatively good problem to have, but it should be approached very carefully to prevent families from having to deal with unnecessary trouble.
Mm-hmm. So who should be thinking about this? Is it just older investors? Is it younger people who might be inheriting something?
Both, actually. In the Navigator, we address the issue from both perspectives, as the wealth transfer process creates challenges for both the grantors and their beneficiaries. It's really important that both those giving and those receiving wealth understand what those challenges might be that they face in the process, and just how effective advanced planning can be in mitigating some of those issues up front.
Mm-hmm. So this is not just an issue that the ultra wealthy need to be worrying about.
No, not at all. That's really a major misconception that a lot of folks have. While the issues related to transferring wealth can certainly grow in complexity with the size of the estate, anyone who's accumulated any pool of assets really should want to pass those assets along to their beneficiaries in the most efficient way possible and with the fewest headaches. So we think the information in this Navigator can really be useful for people across a wide range of asset levels. So we encourage everyone to read it.
Great. Thank you, Matt. I think this is a really helpful Navigator, so I would encourage everyone who's watching this to go and read the whole thing. We'll put a link to the article in the description box, and otherwise you can find the Navigator on our website, which is www.peakandhardy.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.